Hi guys, welcome again to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the kolas 6 long-range drone. We're going to be building this frame, and this is the unboxing of the kolas 6 frame. Comes very well compact in this packaging, and we're going to be opening it to see what's inside. So let me just see if I can get my knife, and we'll slice it open. Safety first. Right, so now in the packaging we've got the manual. The manual comes with very well printed out pictorial diagrams of how everything should go through together. Um, Comes in different languages, and then you see the steps in which you can put everything together, including the legends on the side. So if you follow the diagrams, you should be able to install this without any issues. The kolas 6 is a folding drone that really got my attention. You know, the frame really adopts high strength T700 carbon plates with 7 mm thickness arms and the 2.5 mm thickness top plate. Yeah, these are the 7 mm thick arms. You see how thick they are, very strong and very durable, very well cut and designed. We'll be putting all of this together. Of course, there are four arms for all the four motors. Um, then we have this is the base plate. Um, where we'll be installing all the electronics on and the stand-ups. This is the 2.5 mm thickness top plate. Looks really nice and sturdy. In the package we have most of the screws. We have the M2 12 mm screws. What's this? This is the M2 20 mm screws, 25 mm standoffs. It's also M2. We've got M2 8 mm and 4 mm. This is an M3 10 mm. I think that would be for the 2.5 lock nuts. Are these lock nuts? There should be lock nuts. No, not lock nuts. You just use Loctite to set your screws up. M2 10 mm. These are 5 mm screws. So while that's also going on, it's a long range drone, and I'm going to be putting in the. Oh, by the way, this is the camera holder and the motor mounts. Then we've got the battery anti-slip. So we install this on top of the top plate, and the battery goes on there. So that's all that's in the packaging. We're just going to open up the other package, which has the base cover. So you can put in your LEDs on here, like I would do. And this is your screws for your camera mount, and the GPS holder. It's a TPU printed material, soft and quite very nice. And this is the cover for the USB-C side, and we have the GoPro mount and the XT60 already installed in the TPU housing with the capacitor installed as well. This capacitor will help reduce the surge or spikes while connecting your drone. This is for the antenna mount. We're going to be using Dragon. Sorry, I'm going to do Crossfire. So in all of these, we're going to put all of this together in the video. Like and subscribe. This helps this channel to get more views and videos. So I would hope to see you as we put together this long-range drone, long-range system from Flying Axis kolas 6. See you in the next one. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.